Yes, here I am again. You see, still working with the piano keys and piano keyboard here, trying to fix it. And I managed to have the hammers done somehow. They are working. It's a pretty good solution what I have done, molding these guys. But you see, these are in place. Nice, very nice. But the problem is that originally these parts, they have a kind of locking system here. It's a piece of plastic which supposed to get into this hole here and keeps keeps the hammer. I don't know if you can see the details, but all right, let's try with this one here. So this one goes in there. Okay, we are in position. That's good. That's fine. And here we should have the locking system going under the key, or in fact under this metal stuff here, this metal piece. All right. Well, I couldn't do that fine detail with my moldings and experiments, and unfortunately I have to find another way to fix these guys in place. I was thinking about another solution. You see, that part I told you, it should be here. But the point is that I want and I need this piece of metal to stay under that part, that metal, stopping effectively the hammer to go out or to escape. What I have done, I realized that having a hole right here in this little piece of, evidently we don't need the resin here anymore, because anyway that's under the stuffs here. In this region I'm gonna put a hole. We have to be really careful. It's not too much place, not at all. I have a 2mm drill, and there we go. Perfect. And this is the result. You see the hole in here? Okay, that one will go under. Okay, let's do that at the end of the keys. So here I have the hammer going in this position. You see it's getting the working. Okay, in between these plastics, at least these ones are still okay. And all I have to do now is to stop it there. You see? And we are good to go. I already did that with these guys in this region. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And I have a piece of copper wire blocking the hammers from falling from the ensemble. And let me show you. I can even pull the keys, nothing happens. So it's a perfect fixing situation, and that should work forever. And in the same time, just in case we need to work the contacts or anything else, it's simple to take the wire out and to unlock the hammers dismantle everything and do the fixing. Okay, of course, let me show you briefly. So we have a B and okay, a B. I need a straight one. That's a B. This is fixed? No. So we have one. It can be done individually, but I don't know. I think maybe 6 a time. It will be absolutely all right. And then we need an A in here. That's for the black keys. You see, I have here this this locker I told you, but it's not enough. It should be till up here, and of course very elastic, which is not. But it's okay like that. Let me get another one. This is okay. We have to find. All right, there's the position there. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. Another 2. We have a G, straight, and the curved one. No, not like that. I need to redo some of these guys because I found some losing parts or resin, you know, not properly done. There we go. 2, 4, and 6. All right. Now, piece of wire. Well, it can be done with plastic too, so it's not really need to be something to block those holes and keep them under the metal plate here. Okay, I'm gonna put a lock here and something like this, and that should be enough. Play by ear. Okay. Look there. Look what a mess. Because they are not kept in place. Okay. Now let's see. Screwdriver. This guy here. You see? Oh, come on. That's in place. Next. What's happening there? Okay. 2 more and we are done. Stay there. Okay, that's our guy. But I believe that this wire is too long already. You know something? I don't even need to stop it there anymore. Anyway, that's the idea. You see? And now I can just put it down. And we are good. This is done. There we go. Okay, that's it. Like always, please like, please subscribe. I'm waiting your comments. If any question, don't hesitate, write them down. I'll do the best to answer. And for further development, please follow my channel. And I'm really hoping this saga will finish soon. Okay, have fun. Don't forget that. Bye bye.